B. Cell cycle.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, my name is Ryan, and my life is kind of crazy. Hey, it's me, Ryan, again. I'm here to explain the cell cycle. Think of it like a tree. It starts off empty with very few leaves. As time goes on, it becomes full of bright green leaves. Soon, around fall, the leaves will turn yellow and fall off. Then, the cycle will repeat itself, and this will happen all over again. Here's some examples. Here's the tree when all of the branches are empty and there's very few leaves. A few months later, the tree will look like this. It's full and it has lots of leaves. This is what the tree looks like around fall. The leaves have turned yellow and they're about to fall off. Now the tree looks like it did in the beginning. Empty branches and very few leaves. Soon the cycle will repeat itself and everything will happen all over again. There are a lot more to the cell cycle than just trees. There's 5 different stages: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Interphase is the first step of the cell cycle. Interphase is a very active period since the cell grows and maintains routine functions. It replicates genetic material to prepare for nuclear division, and it synthesizes new organelles to prepare for cytoplasmic division. The second step of the cell cycle is prophase. Prophase is also the first stage of cell division. Back again, huh? This time, let's learn about prophase. During prophase, chromosomes become visible, the nucleolus disappears, the mitotic spindle forms, and the nuclear envelope disappears. Chromosomes become more coiled and can be viewed under a light microscope. Welcome to metaphase, the third step of the cell cycle. During this phase of the cell cycle, the microtubules of the spindle have attached and the chromosomes have lined up on the metaphase plate. I think I'll let my dad take the lead on the next one.
Hello, I'm Jimmy. Welcome to anaphase, the fourth stage of the cell cycle. During anaphase, the sister chromatids are pulled apart and move toward opposite poles of the cell.
That was interesting. Well, basically what he said was during anaphase, the sister chromatids are pulled apart and move toward opposite poles of the cell. Let's move on to telophase. We're here! Telophase is the 5th and final stage of the cell cycle. Telophase is the process that separates the duplicate genetic material carried in the nucleus of a parent cell into 2 identical daughter cells. I had fun learning about the cell cycle today. We had a lot of fun. We learned about the 5 stages and what each stage did. You know what was my favorite part?
B. Cell cycle.